Hello everybody, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today is simple stamping and paper crafts. So today we are doing this really quick and easy treat holder. This is probably one of the first ones I think I did many years ago. It's really quick and easy and a fun one to do. So I am going to share that with you today, and we are using the Wildly Happy stamp set. Look how adorable this is. This would be perfect for a baby shower. You can make these for little favors, party favors. You can use any of these animals. They're so stinking cute. So we are going to use the bunny again today. All right, so let's get started. You're going to need a piece that is 9.5 by 3.5. This is crumb cake I'm using for this. You're going to need another piece to stamp your little bunnies on, and then a piece that's 1/2 by 2 inches for the sentiment, and then this piece is 3.5 by 1.5, and this is the little piece that goes behind our bunny. And then you need a scrap to punch out our sunburst circle or starburst. I can't remember. I'll put it up in the video here so you can. I can never remember if it's sunburst or starburst. I go through this every time I use it. All right, so let's go ahead and get scoring for this. Now the little hearts that I put on the top here, I'm using the Above the Clouds stamp set for that, and it's just this little heart here. If you have other hearts, just use that. Although I love this stamp set. But you don't even have to put the hearts if you don't want to. It's all up to you. All right, so let's go ahead and score this. So it's very quick and easy scoring. We are going to score on the 9.5 side. We're going to score it at 1, at 5, and at 5.5. That is it. Done. All right, so I need to grab my bone folder, and we're just going to sharpen these. And I am going to use my little corner rounder to round the corners. Just use what you have. This one's an old corner rounder. We do have the detailed trio that has the corner rounder on it as well. But then we're going to go ahead and we are going to use crumb cake, and we are going to stamp the little hearts with the crumb cake. So I'm just doing them along here. And I'm doing each side so that I end up with pretty evenly spaced hearts here. Just like that. And then we are going to punch some holes here. Now I am going to punch this one a little bit lower. The other one, it seemed to kind of lift up. I'm going to punch this one down a little bit further. And we're going to punch in stages here because there is a lot to go through here. We also want to punch through the little cellophane bag. So make sure this is even when you punch. And we're going to punch through these two. And then I'm going to grab our little cellophane bag. Now these are Stampin' Up's 3x6. And I'm going to go ahead and add my Hershey's Kisses. You can put whatever candy you like in it. And I am just folding it over. Make sure that you fold it over so it fits in here. And I'm just going to use a little piece of Scotch tape to tape it together, just to hold it in the back. You can cut it shorter if you want and then seal it however you like, but this is the easiest way for me. So we are going to, I'm going to put it here. I don't know if I can get to it from here. No, I'm going to have to close it. This is the hardest part actually to punch through for me. My punch needs a little bit of sharpening, so I got to give it quite a bit of pressure. All right, so then we're going to line these all up, and I'm going to grab my ribbon. I am using the variegated petal pink ribbon. It's one of my favorite. I love this ribbon. And we are going to thread that through. And I'm going to use some baker's twine. And on the baker's twine, whenever I do one like this, I usually tie a little circle, and then I'll slip the ribbon in here, and then we'll pull it. Because I always seem to need an extra hand for this, and we'll just tie a bow. So I'm going to pull that so my bow is smaller. I like the smaller bow. Just trim that. And now we're ready to do some stamping and put on our little mat piece. So I'm going to use snail. Got something on there. And we're going to add that to the front. And then we're going to stamp. So I need my piece here. And my 1/2 inch piece here for our sentiment. I'm going to use Memento Black because we are going to color this with our blends. It's super quick and easy coloring, by the way. I love that for you. It's really cute. And then we're going to stamp our bunnies on here. And I am using light and dark crumb cake, and you can use petal pink. This is pink pirouette, the dark, but we do not have petal pink anymore. I mean, pink pirouette. But I am still using it because it's still good. And so I am going to use it until it's gone. All right, and we're going to color the light first. I'm just going to color him really quick and easy. I need a new crumb cake. I use this crumb cake a ton. I love the blends. They are my favorite way to color. Alright, and then we're going to just shade it just a little bit. I'm just going to add some darker underneath. And we're going to just go over it a little bit again with our light just to blend it. And that is going to be it. They are so, so cute. So I'm going to punch this with a 2-inch circle punch. So we got our little bunnies there. And then we are going to use the Starburst punch or Sunburst. I'll put it in the video here because I never can remember. And then we're just going to adhere this to here. And I'm going to put some on the back here and get this ready to go too. So we're going to want to put him first. I'm just setting him down here so I can see where I'm going to place this. I may have to trim it a hair. I think I will. So it's going to go just like that. And then I'm just going to trim the end right here off. And that is it. So super, super quick and easy, and a fun one to do. I really love these, and these are so nice for party favors because they go super quick. All right, everyone, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it because I really would appreciate it. So thanks, everyone, so much. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.